Hey everyone, this is your favorite tax time guy, Alexi Kaplan, CPA from A Kaplan CPA PC, where your financial freedom matters. I decided to do this new explainer video to address some of the most common questions that we get for the upcoming tax season. Most of you, if not all of you, received the engagement agreements that outlines our new policy to be more efficient and more effective with the use of our time and to better assist you with your tax preparation filings without having the need for you to file the extensions. So the requirements for this upcoming seasons are as follows. We have a great team of support. We have a great support system here with A Kaplan CPA. We have new additional staff members, the accountant, the bookkeeper, the admin, myself, of course. I'll be the one still doing most of your returns, reviewing all of them, regardless, and presenting them to you before filing. So in order to be more efficient, we are requesting you to execute the engagement agreement that reflects the updated pricing and pay the invoice that you get shortly after to make sure that we could actually schedule your appointment in a priority fashion. We are doing this to make sure that we could complete the work on time without having the need to file the extensions and having you pay additional money to do so. So just follow the instructions, make the process easier for us instead of going back and forth to make sure that we have your engagement agreement on file. This is one of the newest compliance requirements for all CPA firms. We need to have executed engagement agreement on file before we do anything. And then pay the invoice that you presented based on the agreement and pricing reflected in the engagement agreement. So the reason why you have to execute the engagement agreement is to make sure that we could schedule your appointment in priority fashion. The reason why you need to pay the invoice, the same idea. We need to make sure that you're committed to us just like we are committed to you. And one of the other things that people are getting mixed up or confused about is that, yes, there was a price increase, just like everything else is going up. We had to increase our fees from the prior year by 15% to all individual tax returns for all individual tax returns, and by 10% for all corporate tax returns. So the fee did go up, and the fees only went up to those clients that are not on monthly retainer. As a result, we encourage you to lock in your price and sign up for the monthly retainer. So your price is locked in for the next 12 months, and we encourage you to do so as soon as possible. The other thing is this, every single engagement agreement that you get reflects additional audit protection plan. And for that, individuals are paying $150 on top of the actual updated price for the individual tax returns. And the corporate clients are paying additional $300 for the year to get the audit protection service. You have a right to opt out of it. And by doing so, just request us to send you the opt-out form that explains to you the reasons why we still discourage you from doing so. And some of them I'll actually go over right now. So the main reason why we're offering this service is once again to help you, not to hurt you. It's pennies on a dollar. It's an additional layer of protection for you in case you get a notification, a letter, correspondence from either a federal agency like an IRS or state agencies, New York State, Department of Labor, it doesn't matter, on anything that we have completed. So what we'll do as a part of this additional plan or audit protection plan, we'll respond to any written notices from the IRS, state or local tax authorities. It's actually a $1,500 value because we do have to spend our time. We will restore your tax account and any refunds due to you if you were a victim of identity theft, which is very common nowadays. We will provide additional 1 hour of consultation at no additional charge. That's a $500 value. That's what we charge per hour. And we'll provide you with copies of your tax returns, physical copies if you'd like them, at no additional charge. That's in addition to the copy that you get when you file our tax returns. Otherwise, we charge $250 for it. We will provide you with 4 additional 15-minute consultations in person, via Zoom, on the phone. That's a $750 value. You do get a priority phone, email, an email service that's typically returned within 24 hours. And you have obviously access to the online portal that we use called Canopy. That's lifetime as long as you are our client. Office visits will be scheduled in a priority order for anyone that actually follows our instructions, and that will once again avoid unnecessary headaches or additional fees in terms of possibly getting you placed on extension. We do anticipate massive delays and backlogs for this upcoming tax season by the federal and state agencies, making our life a little bit more tougher. As you know, the deadlines are all the same for everyone, and we want to encourage, and we do encourage each and every one of you listening to actually take our advice, sign the engagement, pay the invoice, schedule your appointment to make sure that everything is done smoothly. On top of all of it, we strongly encourage you to sign up for our monthly retainer agreements. We could provide you a variety of other services that we could discuss in person or over the phone or via video call to make sure that all of your needs are addressed, are dealt with in a prompt fashion, in the most efficient and effective way, as we always did. Thank you so much for your cooperation. We look forward to seeing you this upcoming tax season. If you have any questions, as always, reach back to our office at 718-577-2582, and we will do our best to provide you with the information you're looking for and to address any and all of your concerns. Thank you so much. Take care.